If you're injured as a passenger in a car with a drunk driver, can you still make a claim and recover compensation? The answer may surprise you, and let me explain your rights here. Picture this: you accept a ride from someone who's been drinking. They crash and you're seriously injured. Now you're facing medical bills, lost income, and pain and suffering. You might be thinking to yourself, I got into a car with this person. Is it my fault? Can I even make a claim? Well, here's what you need to know. As a passenger, you're generally not at fault for the accident. You have every right to seek compensation for your injuries, even if you knew the driver had been drinking, because the law recognizes that the drunk driver made the choice to drive impaired and you didn't cause the crash. However, certain factors may reduce your compensation. For example, you will be questioned on whether or not you knew or recognized that the driver was under the influence, and you assumed the risk of getting into the car regardless of that fact. So it would be important to know the relationship between you and the driver, the reason you chose to get into the car, and whether or not you had other options besides getting into a car with a drunk driver. Depending on these factors, your compensation may be reduced, as it would be deemed contributory negligence. But where does the compensation come from? You have different options. First, you have the drunk driver's auto insurance policy that will cover for your injuries and your pain and suffering and lost income. If the driver was not insured or did not have enough insurance, your own auto insurance policy may have coverage that kicks in. Next, in some cases, you may even have a claim against the bar or the restaurant that overserved the driver. These are called dram shot claims. The bottom line is you have several paths of getting compensation that you deserve. But what can you recover in this situation? Well, you could be entitled to compensation for your medical bills, your lost wages and future lost income, pain and suffering, emotional distress, and in some cases, you may be seeking punitive damages as well against the drunk driver. Now, don't let guilt or confusion stop you from protecting your rights. If you've been injured as a passenger with a drunk driver, time is critical, evidence disappears, witnesses forget, and there are strict deadlines for filing claims. Bottom line is this though: protect your own life. Never get into a car with a drunk driver. But if you are in a situation where you do that, please call an experienced post injury attorney, and they will make sure that your rights are protected in every step of the way. My name is Mason Roshdian, and we meet our clients by accident.